Most TypeScript devs reach for extends, not realizing intersection types can do things extends simply cannot. The ampersand operator creates an intersection type, a combined type that must satisfy every constituent type simultaneously. When you write type admin user equals user ampersand admin, the result needs every property from both user and admin. Think of it as merging multiple type contracts into a single flat shape. Interface extension uses the extends keyword to create a proper inheritance chain. The child interface becomes a subtype of each parent, enabling assignability checks and declaration merging. You can extend multiple interfaces at once, just like our admin user example. Here's the critical divergence. Intersection types work with any type. Interfaces, type aliases, even primitives, making them extremely flexible. But intersecting string ampersand number yields never, a silent failure that's easy to miss. Interface extension only works with interfaces and classes. And when a property has conflicting types, extends surfaces a compile time error up front, rather than hiding it as never. When composing third-party types you can't modify, intersections are your only tool. Write request handler ampersand middleware and you're done. For your own domain models, prefer extends. It catches conflicts early and supports declaration merging. General rule: intersections for ad hoc composition, extends for your core type hierarchy. Intersection types compose anything flexibly. Extends builds safe, mergeable hierarchies. Know the trade-offs and you'll write better TypeScript. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.